How to get streaks on TikTok. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to get streaks on TikTok. So there has been a recent update which shows that you can get streaks on TikTok. So to enable it, you will be seeing that streaks section under this your inbox or notification section. So as you can see, I don't have any streaks because I haven't chatted with anyone in the TikTok application so far. So it might be over here under your section where you will be seeing your streaks being maintained with the different types of people. So to simply enable it, just click on your profile section and then just click on this hamburger icon at the top right corner and just head over to settings and privacy. So once you're inside here under the content and display option, just tap on the notification section. So from over here, all you have to do is just make sure you have enabled this option called streaks. So when you turn it off, you won't receive streaks, but when you enable it, your streak feature will be remaining active. So that is exactly how you can get stream streaks. So that is exactly how you can easily get streaks on TikTok. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.